And today we're going to learn about your mind's filter, the reticular activating system. So, have you ever wondered, and I have a lot actually, why some people are able to manifest like like that more easily and effortlessly than sometimes it takes me to manifest. And really what it is, it's that secret working of your mind and your brain's reticular activating system. And in this episode, we're going to explore that. We're going to explore how you can harness this remarkable system, this remarkable thing in our brains to focus and elevate your desires and your success and your mindset and bring those goals from just thoughts. Oh, I want that. Oh, this is what I want to create. We're going to teach you how to create that faster and more effectively. And as usual, we're going to share this journey where science meets the art of manifestation. How cool is that?
Mhm,
And we're going to learn actionable steps that you can take. And they're so simple. It
mhm.
doesn't have to be complicated. We're going to learn to take actionable steps to activate your mind's filter. So let's get started and unlock manifesting your best life or manifesting your best business possible.